So it's summertime, and since in the summer, we like to go outside and do stuff. So today we're looking at this, and it's a Gel Blaster Ball Blaster toy kit. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe you can see it like right down there. I have some of the like Nerf guns because we like to play with the Nerf guns, and maybe you can see. You probably won't be able to see them because it's out of focus. But I have some like pellet guns, BB guns, because again, I like to go outside, and especially if we go, camping or go to friends' places or anything like that. Sometimes it's fun. We can shoot cans or shoot bottles or whatever it is, right? But this shoots water beads. I had no idea. Water beads. So this looks like it could be fun. Currently right now about $56, and this is the box. So we're gonna crack it open and try it out, I guess. Okay, so it looks like this kind of comes with everything, right? Safety gel blaster, amazing outdoor activity, yeah, easy to use, awesome gift choice, packing lists and services. You get the gun, you get some beads, you get like 50,000 beads. You also get little darts, just to try little darts out, eyeglasses, safety glasses, and a funnel. So this is here box. This is here box right here. You guys hopefully can see it, right? Make sure I got this up here for you. Wish I could fold that better, so that it's not as in the way as, that's better, I guess. That's better, right? Okay, so first off, you get, well, this is the attack. This is the gun. This is the gun. You guys see the gun? Oh yes, that's the gun. And this, you will see a little like a loading hole there. So this just slides on here. You just make sure it's all the way back. Tighten that up, right? Yeah. Right? It looks like a gun that they would have used back in the 80s for a sci-fi movie. Yep. Gun. Yep. We do get the manual, which is cool. So how to charge the battery, how to load the gun, operations, how to water a bomb loading method. Open the cap of the bottle, pour inflated water bullets into the bottle, align the bottle mouth. Yeah, I'm good. And then, of course, it tells you how to actually create or do the beads. So supposedly it says pour a small amount of bullets, dry bullets, into a container. If water with a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius is used, it is necessary to soak the bullets for 60 minutes. And if cold water is used, it is necessary to soak the bullets for 180 minutes for the bullets to expand. The expansion time varies with water temperature. All right, so we'll do that. We'll do that. This is the little different part that I've seen from some of them. You get these little foam bullets, and those are very much almost like the little tiny, like the Nerf guns, but only one at a time. They front load one at a time. You get a funnel, so this is what this is, a little funnel. So you just kind of take this and just kind of pop it out, and then you got a funnel for loading your bullets into here, right? When you're ready to go. Cool stuff. Battery, we'll do the battery in a second. Battery charger, for those of us that, well, you will need to charge. This is what you're going to load your bullets, your beads into right here. It looks like a little like grenade-y thing. That, of course, is going to screw into the top here. Whole bunch of beads. Whole bunch of these are beads, right? So these are what you're going to use to soak. And last but not least, you do get little safety glasses if you decide to shoot somebody else. Right? Now, I find it funny because these, maybe they're extendable. I was like, maybe you can extend the arms, because I was like, those aren't fitting me. Those aren't fitting me. But it looks like maybe there's a button on the side. You push. Yes. Now you can extend those out. Okay, so that's better. So there's a little tiny latch at the bottom. You do that, and then you push and extend. Now, all right, so now we're good and badass, right? Okay, so the other thing too, I'm gonna keep wearing these glasses. So at the bottom of the gun, you have a little latch here. You open that up. This is where your battery goes in. So This goes in here. It should only go in one way, I believe, like that. And then this is gonna just slide back in, tuck in all the cables. Cool. And then on the back here, there's a power button, and if the battery is in and charged, you get the LED lights, right? So she's all lit up. Ready? That's one. Or, and if you do want to shoot these, you take this end here. Of course, it's a little suctiony, and I'm like, the chances of actually getting that to suction anything is not very high because you're not probably gonna get it in there. But there you go, there, right? And then you guys see it at the wall. Ready? Yeah, that's probably because it's not really designed for that. So, like, it had a pretty good arch on it, right? So it's really designed for these. So what I'm gonna do, it says anywhere from an hour to 4 hours, I guess, depending on water temperature. I'm going to take some of these here beads. Now, this is the one thing I wish. Here's the one thing I wish. I wish these came in like a little Ziploc bag, because I'm going to tear this open, and then, I'm going to put in probably like this many beads there, because that's all I need. And then what? Then where do I put this bag, right? I can put it back in here, but that's going to make a mess. Yeah, it'd be nice if they were little Ziploc bag. You could re-zip them up. That would be better. All right, I'm gonna go put some water and these together, and we'll be back and do some water bead shooting, shall we? Okay, guys. So this is after like 3 hours. They're like little bubbles. So I'm gonna take these here, and I'm gonna funnel them and put them without water in here, and then put them on the gun, and we'll go outside, shoot something, I guess. Okay. I'm guessing that's it. That should be good. We still got lots left. Still got lots left. All right, so are we ready for the most fun ever? On. I've got the side camera going. I've got slow motion camera going. And ready? Oh no, that fires right away. Ready? Oh, that's fast. I don't even know if you guys can see it coming out of there. Ready? You guys maybe able to see it, maybe not. Ready? I have one over there shooting in slow motion, so maybe we'll see it. Oh, it's got some kick to it. Oh, that's awesome. That is so awesome. And let's go over here. Ready? And we'll shoot it up against this so you guys can just see what kind of impact it has. Yeah, and if I hit it up against this, well, that's super. Okay, this may be one of the funnest toys I've gotten in a long time. And this is why I'm curious if I can hit that tree. Ready? Does it see the tree right there? That's what I'm going for. Oh yeah, it hits the tree. That's hours of mindless fun, for sure. Okay, now you can get this for kids, but you want to make sure your kids are old enough to understand that this could hurt a fair bit if it gets hit. Make sure you're wearing the safety glasses, just in case. But oh yeah, that's cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave links down below if you guys are interested in getting one of these water pellet gel gun things. Yeah, and look how much more I still have. Lots, and like 49,500 still in the bag. Oh yeah. All right, guys, links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.